Beware of poisonous plants. Familiarize yourself with any dangerous plants that are common to the area. If you come into contact with a poisonous plant, immediately rinse the affected area with water and apply a salting lotion such as calamine to the affected area. Practice good hygiene. Make sure you wash your hands, particularly after using the toilet and before handling food, to prevent everyone in your group becoming ill. www.feed.us provides information on pack the essentials and be prepared for minor injuries, sudden weather changes, or delays. The following are items you should include your pack. First, candle, clothing. Always bring something extra warm, extra socks, and rain gear. Compass, first aid kit.
Before you leave, find out the weather report. When you arrive at the site, watch the skies for changes and carry a compact weather radio. In inclement weather, find a shelter until the worst passes. Stay dry. Wet clothes contribute to heat loss. Also, keep sleeping bags and important gear dry at all times. Arrive early. Plan your trip so that you arrive at the actual campsite with enough daylight to check over the entire site and to set up camp. Check for potential hazards. Be sure to check the site thoroughly for glass, sharp objects, branches, large ant beads, poison ivy, bees, and hazardous terrain. Inspect the site. Look for a level site with enough room and spread out all of your gear. Also, a site has trees or shrubs on the side of prevailing winds will help block strong unexpected gusts.
Recreation, outdoor safety tips. Objective of first aid. Number 1, to save lives. Number 2, to prolong life. Number 3, to alleviate suffering. Number 4, to prevent further injury. Characteristic of a good first aider. There are several personal qualities which you should look for when looking for a first aider. Number 1, gentle, does not cause pain and panic. Number 2, observant, notices all signs. Number 3, resourceful, makes the best use of things at hand. Number 4, tactful, does not frighten the victim. Number 5, sympathetic, comforts and reassures the victim.
Beware of poisoning plant. Familiarize yourself with any dangerous plant that are common to the area. If you come into contact with a poisonous plant, immediately rinse the affected area with water and apply a something lotion such as calamine to the affected area. Practice good hygiene. Make sure you wash your hands, particularly after using the toilet and before handling food, to prevent everyone into your group becoming ill. WWF provide information on pack the essential and be prepared for minor injuries, sudden weather change of daily. The following are items you should include in your pack. Candle, clothing, always bring something warm, extra sock and rain gear. Compass, first aid kit. Thank you.
Bedford in the safe area. Your open fire and fuel burning applicants must be far enough away from the tent. Prevent ignition from spark flame and heat. Never use a flame or any other heating device inside tent. Use a flashlight or battery power light insensitive. Pitch your tent in a safe spot. Make sure your tent is made of flame-retardant fabric and sit up far enough away from the campfire. Keep insects out of your tent by closing entrance quickly when entering or leaving. Dispose of trash properly. Remember to recycle. Use the proper recycling bins if available. Beware when encountering wildlife. The word of bear. Keep your campsite clean and do not leave food, garbage, colors, cooking equipment, or utensil out in the open. Remember that bears are potentially dangerous and unpredictable. Never feed or approach bear. Use a flashlight at night. Many animals feed at night, and the use of flashlight may warn them away.